this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my honest review about the Dove Pink, and also if this soap actually lightens the skin, because I've heard a lot of hype about this soap on TikTok that this soap actually do lighten the skin. But honestly, I'm going to tell you guys how to lighten up your skin with the Dove Pink, and I'm also going to be sincere with you guys if the soap ordinarily can lighten the skin and other reviews about it, so that before you get it, you just know exactly what you are getting. Now, this is a Syndet bar, not like the regular soaps you use on your skin that gives you that quickly clean feeling. You know what I mean? When you use it to wash your skin, after rinsing it off, your skin just feels so clean. When you actually use the Dove Pink, you will not get that feeling. Not like your skin is not clean. It leaves a lot of moisture and hydration on the surface of your skin, so you end up not getting that quickly clean feeling that you get from your other regular bar soap. That is because this is a Syndet bar, and that is just its formulation. That is what it is meant to do on your skin, to hydrate your skin and also to protect your skin, so it doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, it doesn't leave your skin feeling ashy. So this is a very good regular soap that you can use every single day. It is not a soap that you use today, you have to use it tomorrow, or use it only at night. This soap is very safe to be used morning and night. Another thing is that this soap can be used with almost all skincare products, like every skincare product, whether it's a lightening product, a brightening product, a moisturizing product. You can use this soap with any skincare product, not like some soaps that you have to pair it up with this and this and this. This soap is just a very simple soap you can use both morning and night every single day. And another thing, my honest review about this soap after using it for so long, I'm using Dove soap for like over 5 years now, on and off sometimes. This soap is very hydrating on the skin. If you have a very dry skin, or even if your skin is not dry, your skin does not look soft. When someone touches your skin feels so hard. This is the soap that is going to hydrate your skin and give you that moisture, and your skin will start to feel soft over time of using this soap, and your skin will just get used to it, and your skin will automatically be very soft and always hydrated. If you are looking for a soap that you can use when you go out during the day, your skin does not feel ashy. You know, when you bathe in the morning, when you go out, by noon, your skin is already looking white. When you use this Dove Pink, your skin will not look white. Your skin will feel so hydrated. And if you're also someone that wants a soap that you can use sometimes and not apply your moisturizer, especially at night when you want to go to bed, skincare free, without, applying anything on your skin, even moisturizer, you don't want to apply anything on your skin, this is the best soap you can use to bathe. When you just use it to bathe, go to bed and not apply any other thing on your skin, and your skin will not feel dry out or looking ashy by the next morning. So your skin is still going to be feeling very hydrated. Dove Pink here also smoothing the skin. I highly recommend, if you are suffering from keratosis pilaris, also known as strawberry skin, when your skin feels so bumpy and rough, when you are using this soap, because I highly recommend this one, you can use this soap as your pre-cleansing soap. A soap you use first to pre-cleanse your skin before your body wash and every other skincare products you'll be applying on your skin. This soap just gives that best base for your skincare routine when you're looking for something to first pre-cleanse your skin. And one amazing thing about the Dove Pink, you can use it both on your face and on your body. Back then, just growing up without skincare, this is the type of soap I would usually use to bathe both my face and my body. And I'm good to go, I don't have any problem. But that is not back then anymore. I do it now. I still use this soap now, both on my face and my body. If I don't have a face wash now, this is what I replace with. This is what I replace my face wash with, as something to cleanse my face and my body. This is very economical and also saved me a lot of stress. I bought this soap 1,500 naira here in Nigeria. Very affordable. I use it in the morning, sometimes morning and night, depends. So this soap will last so long, up to like a week plus to 2 weeks, depending on how you use it, honestly. Now, does this soap lighten the skin, which is the big question that everyone keeps asking? The truth is, this soap doesn't lighten the skin. It doesn't. It cannot even lighten your skin. If you even go through the ingredients in this soap, it has no ingredients to lighten up your skin. But this soap brightens the skin. And when I say it brightens the skin, when you use this soap to bathe, your skin feels so bright, so alive. If you are someone that is suffering from a lot of dull skin, this is a soap that is going to help you a lot to brighten up your skin. So you can use it if you have a dull skin. And this soap is also good for all skin types. If I haven't mentioned that, whether you have a dry skin, an oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, this soap is very good for all skin types. But it is also very high in fragrance. If you have a sensitive skin, you can use this soap. But if you have a sensitive skin that is also very reactive to fragrance, then you will use the Dove sensitive skin. That's the variant for you. But if you don't react to a lot of fragrance in the product, you can use this soap even if you have a sensitive skin. It helps to maintain the skin texture. Though it will lighten your skin, it will also brighten your skin and also smoothen your skin, keeping your skin very hydrated and moisturized. And in this 2026, I've been saying much in my videos that when you want to have a glowing skin, it's no longer by using a lightening product. Back then, I would also think so. But now, it is not by using lightening product that gives you a glowy skin. It is by using product that hydrates and moisturize your skin. And Dove soap here, which is the Dove Pink we're talking about, is one amazing soap you can use to pre-cleanse your skin before every other skincare product in your routine to give you that hydrated, softer skin compared to using a soap that might dry out your skin. Now, how can I use this soap to lighten my skin? Because I know some people really like that lightening effect on their skin. Now, for people that have actually said this soap lightens their skin, I said it's a lie because this soap will not lighten your skin, but there is a way they were using it that actually made their skin lighter, and that is by pairing it with other lightening products. Now, let me give you guys an instance. I use this soap mostly in the morning, and I use the Nano Extra White soap, or sometimes I do use the turmeric soap or any other lightening soap at night. When I'm doing that, it actually balances out my skin in a way that my skin starts to get lighter. Because I do not want to use my lightening soap anymore morning and night, so I pair it up with a Dove soap, and now my skin is lighter. Now, if I tell you that I use Dove soap and my skin is lighter, will you believe me? Now, you're going to doubt, but still, you will see me using the soap every day, and you can't help but believe that, yes, Dove soap is lightening my skin. That is because I'm pairing it up with a lightening bar soap at night. Now, that is even too far because morning and night. Let me bring you guys closer. Sometimes, some people can use this soap to first pre-cleanse their skin and then go in with SK Duchess body wash, which can actually brighten up the skin to a lighter shade. Sometimes you can even use this Golden Glow shower gel as your second cleanse. These are just shower gels. Sometimes some people can use any random shower gel or body wash that actually brightens the skin so much that someone can see your skin so light. Now, the person can tell you the soap I am using is Dove Pink, because after using this to pre-cleanse their skin, they go in with their body wash or a shower gel that can lighten up the skin. And with that, their skin is a little bit balanced because this will hydrate their skin and that other shower gel will lighten up their skin. That does not really mean it's the Dove Pink that is lightening their skin. It just means they are pairing it up with a very good lightening product that are lightening their skin. Now, again, sometimes some people pair it up with a very good lightening lotion with just a normal body wash or a shower gel that doesn't lighten. Only their lotion is what is lightening in their routine, and that actually lightens their skin so much. And now, you who is concerned about a soap, let's assume you like your body lotion, you are just looking for a good soap, and you see this person with a very fine looking skin, and you ask, please, what soap do you use on your skin? And the person tells you, I'm using the Dove Pink. And you're like, so Dove Pink can actually lighten the skin up to this extent that someone's skin will be this fine. But the truth is, it is their lotion that is lightening. This one is just giving that brighter, hydrated, glowing looking skin. So the main thing that is lightening the skin is the body lotion. Don't get mixed up or confused when people tell you they are using Dove Pink and their skin is looking so beautiful, so bright, and you see it in truth that that is what they are using, and you solely rely that is the Dove Pink that is doing all the magic. The lighter shade, Dove Pink cannot do all that. But that glowy, brighter, softer looking skin, that can actually be Dove, because Dove soap is so good and hydrating on the skin. If you have never used it before, the first time you use it, I told you guys, you'll notice that your skin feels so soft, hydrated and moisturized, and doesn't have that quickly feeling you get from other soaps. So Dove Pink here, it's a very good one to combine with any good product and get an absolute best result. It is so good. So that is how people who are using it and getting that lighter result, that is how they are pairing it up. Not like when you use 10 bar of this Dove Pink, you will never go lighter and your skin will never change from its original complexion, but it will brighten up and always look healthy, glowy and radiant. I love Dove Pink. I highly recommend it for people who want to brighten their skin in the morning. Even both morning and night, you can use it to get the best results. I have been using it, that's what I'm currently using, and I'm not stopping anytime soon. I'll even keep on trying out other variants to give you guys honest review. And this here is how to use your Dove soap to lighten your skin, and the honest review about this particular Dove Pink and how you can also use it with other products. So loves, that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.